Did you know male pattern baldness accounts for 95% of hair loss in men? Then enters Regaine Foam and Regaine Solution. This clinically proven treatment is effective in stopping further hair loss in 4 out of 5 men and encouraging hair regrowth in 3 out of 5. In this video, we'll cover how Regaine works, how effective it is, how to use it, and more. Regaine is an effective treatment for hereditary hair loss in men that contains the active ingredient Minoxidil. According to current research, it is believed that Minoxidil can aid blood flow to the hair follicles of the scalp to increase the follicle size and hair shaft diameter. This means Minoxidil can potentially reverse follicle miniaturization, which increases blood flow to the follicle, moving them from the resting to the growth phase, along with preventing further hair loss and promoting hair regrowth. The effects Minoxidil has on hair regrowth were discovered during clinical trials for a high blood pressure treatment, when researchers noticed that patients were experiencing hair regrowth. Regaine has been shown to stabilize hair loss in 9 out of 10 men. It's important to remember that hair growth is a slow process. Clinical studies have shown that hair regrowth may be seen as early as 8 weeks, but you should allow up to 16 weeks to see results. There are several factors which may influence how well Regaine works for you, including the predominance of hereditary hair loss in your family, the cause of the hair loss, the area of scalp affected, and the length of time you've been losing your hair. Regaine works best with thinning hair or a coin-sized patch at the top of the scalp. If you have been bald for years or have large patches of hair loss on your head, Regaine may not help. This hair growth treatment is only to be used externally and nowhere other than the scalp. When it comes to Regaine Foam, you should apply 1 gram of the foam, that's about half a capful, to the affected area twice a day. 1 canister of Regaine Foam lasts for approximately 1 month. If you haven't seen any results after using Regaine Foam for 16 weeks, you should stop using the product. Regaine Solution is very similar, but you need to ensure that your head is dry before applying 1 milliliter to the affected area twice a day. If you haven't seen any results after using Regaine Solution for 1 year, you should stop using the product. Using more than the recommended dose or applying it more often will not make your hair grow any faster. It is recommended to keep using Regaine for as long as desired to maintain the effect. These hair loss treatments are for men only, but rest assured there is an option for women. If you check the link in the description and head on over to Pharmica's website, you can check them out. One study found that after 24 weeks, women who applied a topical Minoxidil treatment saw their hair density increase by 7.2%. Regaine Solution is licensed for men up to the age of 65, whereas Regaine Foam is licensed for those aged 18 to 49. Both Regaine products are as effective as each other as they both contain the same strength of the active ingredient. So after an online consultation, Pharmica can provide both to men up to 65. The main difference between Regaine Foam and Solution is the dispensing method, and it's down to patient preference. Regaine Foam is supplied in pressurized canisters, while Regaine Solution is supplied in spray bottles. Check the link in the description to both of these outstanding products that will help you on your hair growth journey. If you're looking for more information on hair regrowth treatments, click the playlist here, where we have some more videos that might just help you out. Thanks for watching. For insightful health and wellness tips, check out our profile.